Up for sale, 1963 Impala Super Sport Convertible. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 63 Impala Super Sport Convertible. Finished in factory correct colors, Palomar red with black interior. Previously owned since 1988. 327, Powerglide automatic, power steering, power top, and factory bucket seats and console. As always, I'm going to go around it, point out anything I do see, tell you everything I do know about it, fire it up, and then drive it. So of course we'll start here in the front as always. And like I said, owned since 1988, and one of the things I'd like to say is over the years I've learned that there's two types of long-term owners. Ones that have taken care of it since the day they bought it till the day they sell it, and the kind that later on they lose interest, they stop doing things to it, you know, whether it's just maintaining the car, fixing things as they go out, even as far as keeping it clean. This car specifically is the one that was pride and joy from the beginning to the end. Now let me just focus here on the front bumper, which has, you know, some toweling marks on it, some of those little white dots that you see, but it's still a nice front bumper nonetheless. No dents in it, no damage to it. The grille and the bezels about the same condition that you see there. It's an older restoration, of course, since being owned since 1988, but like I said, very well maintained. But you're gonna find some, you know, little stone chips on there in the front, some touch-ups, some chips, some marks throughout the body, just because, again, it's expected. But I'd like to point out Super Sport hubcaps with the white wall radial tires. Sorry, I'm competing with the semi and landscapers. But one thing I'd like to point out is it's both original fenders, both original quarters. So that alone is rather impressive. So as you see here, well, this is a little bit of dust, but there's a little, you know, in the paint there. But that hood lines up, and it doesn't just line up, it sits flush. Same deal over here. Again, you see a couple little marks on it, as expected. So let me go ahead. I want to pop the hood here. Again, I know I said it, 327. Oh, really nice in here, by the way. That's what I'm saying. Well maintained over time. It's clean. It looks like it's probably been detailed prior as well. Attention to detail. I love seeing the bottle. Excuse me, 327. 4-barrel carburetor. You got the stock exhaust manifolds on there. Power steering, manual brakes. Inner fender walls are clean. The firewall's clean. The wiring is tidy. Harrison radiator as well. And this is what I'm getting at when I'm talking about it being maintained over the years. The interior is fantastic. I can't wait to show you that. The frame is nice all the way around. Just trying to think if anything else jumps out at me, but no, it's rather stock. It's rather correct looking just by appearance. Underhood is nice and clean. It's been on 4 power tours, so I left these because I know people like this. It's a proven car, of course. I took a picture of the trim tag. Of course, it's an SS factory bucket seat and console car. And again, Palomar red is the correct color for the car. So let's go on down the side here. There's a little smudge right there. But anyway, oh, that's just made it worse. Anyway, I got rid of the smudge properly. You see the little chip there. And then there's a little guy right there. Moving on down here. Well, first off, fitment, super nice. Even down to the rocker and the rocker panel and up. But you see some, you know, little marks here on it. A couple other little imperfections. Looks like a little checking there. You see some more chips down there. And I'm not just here to point out chips, but I just, you know. But that door fitment's nice. Look at that. The glass is all nice. All the windows go up and down as they should. There's no cracks in the glass. The only imperfection in the glass is the stone chip right there. The white convertible top actually is in super nice condition. No rips on this side. The back window's not yellowed. By looking at it, it appears, you know, for when it was stored and not being driven, the top was always up. Fits nicely to the front window. It didn't shrink. But anyway, let's go inside the car now. We'll start here. This door panel probably was replaced not too long ago, if I had to guess. You know, the bolts, the screws look new. The condition of the door panel itself, let me back out a little bit. That's fantastic. VIN's in place. It's actually a California built car. It's an L in the VIN, which is interesting. So it made its way here over the years by 1988. Look how nice this hem is in the door. But anyway, black interior, bucket seats, factory console, factory steering wheel, padded dash. Nice in there. The carpet's clean, no rips. It's got the factory style floor mats all the way around. No rips on the seat. Let me show you one thing though. I saw an older seat belt that I wanted to point out. The other side has it too, but again, like I said, no rips on the seat. Nice factory steering wheel. The cold light works on the dash. And to give you an idea of how easy it starts, it was on the lift this morning. 2 pumps, turned the key, idled, backed it right off the lift. The stainless down there is nice. Paint on the dash is nice. Glove box looks nice. Padded dash is nice. There was a crack on that side that's been repaired. They did a nice job repairing it actually, so that means it's not going to get any worse. Power top switch is there. I'll show you that later on while it's running. But for right now, I will literally show you it run. Oh, let me show you the console first. I haven't had a Super Sport Impala convertible of this body style in about 4 years. So I'm excited to have one. But anyway. See? Beautiful. I did take a picture of the boot that folds over the back seat, but I turned it up so that you could see the back seat, which is in fantastic condition. Same deal for the door panels on both sides. Same deal for this door panel. Now, the only little bit of paperwork I have is a title search by the Secretary of State of Illinois, which is kind of interesting. That was done in '93. So I've got copies of all the titles that the state was able to get and send to the gentleman who owned it. So that's kind of nice a little historical documentation. No rust bubbles on the body. I'd like to point that out now. I haven't talked about it, but there's not. There are some other little, marks down here that I didn't point out. But this section here is nice. Around the lip and down, there's no bubbles. No bubbles in the back, but let me do this section quickly. You see a couple little marks there. I hope the camera picked that up. Little one there. A couple little guys here. Just a couple little checks. See here, a couple little checks there. I really think a little bit of a cut and polish would do nice, but it doesn't need it by any means. And again, look here. A couple stone chips, but 0 bubbles. And can you see it? You can see the little, well, in the original quarter, that's what I'm getting at. The insides of the quarters are both original as well. Drain plugs in place. I did take pictures of those. They will be on the ad. I would say the bumper is about the same as the front. Same little bit of stuff on top, but still nice and shiny. I like these pieces. Trim panel, nice condition. Let me show you the fitment of the lid. That's how you want to see it. And again, you see some, you know, other little marks here. But it's such an honest car, and that's really what drew me to it. This is where I was saying maybe a little cut just in this area would do it really nice. If you see that. But anyway. One of the round keys should do the trick. Trunk is beautiful, finished in gray white spatter paint. You get a nice cloth car cover, spare tire, jack, and they are the original quarters. You could see a little stamping there if you can make that out. And then on this side, it's not as legible, but I saw something right there that looks like where the stamping would be. You can make that little out there. But they're definitely original. When you look up there and you can see it, and you can, you know, of course, feel it. No rust in here. That's nice to see. And again, it looks like, you know, some moisture got in here, a little bit of that, but nothing through, obviously. I mean, I could, you know, stand in here and jump up and down if I'd like, and nothing would, of course, happen. That's nice. Here, I can't move this one. But here's the quarters on both sides. Okay. And again here, some stone chips, but no bubbles. It's got the original on the bottom as well, which is of course nice to see. Two little touch-ups right there. Nice fitment here on the door as well. A couple little marks down there. Little scratch down there. The doors open and close, super nice. Again, nice hem here. And again, same deal for this door panel. Looks like it was replaced not too long ago. But anyway, it'll be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. It will be on eBay first. I know people always say they go to my website and it's not there because I launch it and I post it on eBay. 63 Impala, Super Sport convertible, finished in factory colors. 327, Powerglide automatic, power steering and power top, which I will show you work here in just a couple minutes. Two little marks. But anyway, thank you for watching. And we're gonna fire it up now, show you the top work, and then drive it. Thank you. Okay, gonna show you the top go down. can't take myself seriously with the water bottle hanging around my, like, strapped to me.
What's up with the traffic this morning, man?
I don't know.
It's busy today.
We got to redo that first one because of the cars in the way.
Okay. But yeah, the steering on this thing is like better than a brand new car, man.
Yeah.
Brakes are perfect. It's got more power than you need.
Top down on a beautiful day.
Yes. You couldn't buy it better day.
On a side note, I go to Canada in like 10 days.
Oh wow. And, my dad's going too. Where am I?
For fishing?
Yeah.
When?
I don't know the exact date, but it's very soon.
Going this way, yeah.
Yeah, he's going for 10 days.
Oh, I'm only going for 4 days.
Yeah. I'm staying in the United States, so catch some fish around here. Yeah, suspension's even great on this thing, man.
Mm-hmm. I love the shifter. It's like,
Yeah.
I know it's correct for the year with the Powerglide, but it reminds me of when I got the Corvettes. They have the same, you have to like jockey it around.
Yeah.
I think, was it 65 they went for Corvettes and just made it so you can go straight back? I don't remember.
Interesting turn signal.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. It just,
Yeah.
it's like quarter throttle, man.
Wow. No, that's nice.
Yeah.
We'll go. Yeah. It's been on. Oh, you saw it. I showed you the 4 power tours.
Yeah. Yeah, I would drive this thing everywhere too if I had it.
The indicator shuts off when you turn.
Yeah. Self-canceling.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Wonderful. Speedometer works. Gas gauge works.